Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We continue to speak about Bootstrap 5 and in this lesson we will make blog section of our project. Let's check the finished version of our project and here is blog section. We have one row and three columns and here we have a title and of course our documentation is open. Let's go to our documentation. From docs, I will go to components, from components, and here is our card component. Why I came here? Because in our project, inside of our columns, we used card components. Card component is one of the most important component in Bootstrap and maybe the most used one also. Let's go to documentation again. And here, as always, we start with the name of component class. In this case, our main class is card. Inside of card, we use image tag with cars img top class. Of course, the place of this img can change. Let's go to below and here we have a card body. In card body, we can use different components. For example, let's check our finished version again, and here in our approach part we will use again the card component, but this time inside of card component we will implement this accordion component of Bootstrap 5. Let's go back our documentation again. We can use also card title and card subtitle. We have body, also we have card header and card footer components. We can also use this list group items. Again, let's check. Here is card title, here is card text class. This part is text. And also we can use, for example, here inside of card body, we can also use different HTML elements like block codes. Okay, this theory is enough and let's make some practice and go back our code and let's open our live version. Here I will write a command, blog section, and here I will open section tag. The ID of this section will be what we say will be blog, and then the class of this section, as always, I will use generic class, and inside of this section I will put container class. Inside of container class we will have h2 tag with class as always display 5 and then text dot danger and finally mb-5, and I will put here a sibling of this h2 element. They will have same hierarchy, and this time I will use here row class. Inside of row class there will be column class asterisk 3 column class I will put here. Now I will click tab button and here is general markup of our blog section. Here I will write what we say, and inside of this column I will put firstly of course our card component, and then this card component also has bg-light class and border 0 class because I don't want any border. Click the tab and inside of this card first I will write my img source attribute will be dot slash. Inside of img folder I will take block1.jpg and class of this image will be card-img-tab. Also I will add here rounded-0 class because I don't want any rounded corner here, and close img tag. Below the img I will put here card body. This card body will have a padding, so I will put here .ps-3 class also. Click tab bar again. Inside of card body first I will put h5 and this h5 will have lead class .text uppercase and .text danger and .mb-4 class. Tab again, and this h5 will be, I will copy the text of h5 from our finished version. Let's go our finished version and I will copy this h5 with Ctrl C and paste here. Below h5 I will use h6 tag, h6 with the class of card dash title and text dash danger again, top here, and I will write here what I will write. These are Armando Diego legends. I will put here Armando Diego. Below the h6 open a paragraph. P class will be here card text card dash text, and for the inside of card dash text I will copy. Let's go back to finished version again, and I will copy this text. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Below the P element I will write here a UL element, UL with the class of list inline, and inside of this UL element I will open li element with the class of list dash inline dash item, because as you can see our finished version, I want that this time and comment section will be inside of same line, so I am using this class list inline and list inline item. I want two list inline item. For this reason I am writing here asterisk 2. Inside of list inline item I will put a small element with the class of text dash muted, and inside of this small element I will put Bootstrap Icons with the class of, for now I will write it just BI. I click the tab button again. Let's make our screen bigger. Here I will write 2 days ago. For the Bootstrap icon, for the first one I will use BI-clock class, and for second one I will add BI-chat-left-text, and here I will write like 10 comment. Save the file. Let's go our live version, and here's my live version, and here we have a problem in our title. Let's go back our code, and for this one I have to write must be text dash danger. Save the file. Here we have a small problem in our inline section, because as you can see this icon and this text has different line height, and here I will add a span tag, span with the class will be align dash middle, and I will put this text inside of this span element. I will do the same for other inline item. I copy here and paste here. I will put 10 in the middle of span tag, and also I will put one space here. Save the file, and we solve this middle alignment issue. Let's make our left side bigger, and here's we have finished one column. Let's go back our code. Just we will copy all code inside of this column from this card to this closed div. Ctrl C and Ctrl V again and Ctrl V again. For second one I will use block 2, and for third one I will use block3.jpg. Save the file, and here's our block section. This is the end of today's lesson. In the next lesson we will see each other.